In this video, we're going to talk about the fuel management app on the new Simrad operating system, showing it on NSS 4 16-inch. So from any of the apps that you have open, come here into your main page and you can see that we have a fuel app now located on the main screen. We touch on that fuel app, we get our fuel management screen. So starting over here on the left-hand side, I predetermined through my SmartCraft Connect, being that I'm running Mercury outboards, what size tank I have, which is 185 gallons. What I have for fuel in there today, at this moment, which is 54 gallons. If we were moving and we're sitting here at the dock, this would give me an instant consumption on miles per gallon. Speed is, again, very, very low. We're not moving, so that's basically just off the GPS. And this range would give us a range based upon our speed and our consumption on how far we would be able to go at the current speed that we're running. And then we can get a graph down here at the bottom. So, and in this graph, we have a couple options here. We can look at the last 60 minutes. We can look at the last 12 hours. We can look at the last 48 hours, and you can see some spikes in here where we ran just last night. But for intents and purposes, we usually run it about 60 minutes out. And then also you see these three little lines here. We come in here. This is where we're going to set our baseline efficiency. So the baseline efficiency on this particular boat, which is would be my best fuel efficiency, is about 2.1 miles per gallon. So that will now give us in this range here of the 2.1 miles per gallon. And then one thing to note on this, if you want to add fuel and you come back to refuel your boat, you'll want to come in here, hit add fuel, right? Again, it shows what our fuel level is currently, 54 gallons out of the 184. And we come in here and we add in the fuel, whatever that number is. If it's 10, if it's 20, if it's 130 to fill it all the way up, we put that in. And I'm not going to hit either one of these buttons, but if I was only to do a partial fill, say on that 54 I added 30 gallons, put in 30 gallons, partial fill would highlight. Actually, I can show you how to do that. Partial fill, because we're not doing tank full, partial fill, and we would see this go from 54 to 84. Keep in mind that there is a fuel data manager that we make that must be used in your N2K system, and that can be purchased at any Simrad dealer in the US. That is really an important component to continuously maintain and monitor your fuel consumption and your fuel left.